What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today is soundbar day. So we have the Planet Audio PSX 18. It's an 18-inch. So we're gonna mount this guy up on the hood. So I am gonna use the brackets that come for the cage, but I'm only gonna use half the bracket. So I don't need this half. So let me show you how we're gonna do it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. I've already kind of braided the cables, kind of got them worked out how they're gonna go. And then if we look at the hood, these are my holes I drilled. We're gonna go slightly up there, so it's gonna mount pretty much just like that right there. Now there is an easy way to center this up. You can use this right here with the star on the bike. It'll level it out. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put on there. So I'm gonna use the outlet here for power, because I want to be able to remove the hood without it affecting anything. So I want all wires to come off simple. So I already drilled my holes here. So to get it on, we are going to, it's gonna go this way. So here's some of the hardware that comes with it. I'm putting some extra washers in there, so it's not just to a little bit piece of plastic. Less chance I think it's gonna break off. So just get it started. There we go. Alright, so we'll get these holes mounted up. Don't over tighten them. Oh shit, my car. This is how she's gonna sit on the bike. So, like I said, the way I lined it up was with these lines here, which my bracket is on just on the other side of this little stopper here, both sides, and I put it evenly in there. Put the bracket, drilled the holes, bolt it from underneath with washers. I mean, it's on there pretty good. next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna run the wires through here, and then we're gonna bring it in between this snorkel here, and all the excess wire we're gonna shove down there, and then we're just gonna have the whip come out, plug right in. So let me go ahead and route that in there, and then I'll come right back. All right, so I'm gonna straighten these out. So these run through here, come out the side of here, and they run behind my snorkels, all into there, and then this guy's gonna come out, plug into that. And that does not look bad. I can deal with that. Doesn't affect my, I can turn it. See, perfect. So it'll be good no matter what I do. Alright, and this is not constant power, it's only ignition power. So here it is. Okay.
Get away from me. If I was you, I'd watch what you say to me. Snakes on my bed, won't lay with me. Same motherfucker, why play with me? Don't play with me, that's the only thing I love.
Alright. She works. So, and now, like I said, if I want to unplug it, I'll just take this off, pull this cord out, and the whole hood comes off. So I might change that down the road. For now, I want to see how well the soundbar actually works. I don't want to hardwire it in and then it freaking crap out on me. So this video is kind of short, but it took a lot more effort than that. Make sure you have the tabs for this. The first one I got did not have the tabs. But if you got the tabs, you could mount it straight to here, but I think it looks a lot better off the bike a little bit. And I put that extra washer to give me a little clearance because it's pretty close. The screw's pretty long. Hopefully it works good. I'm gonna do some cleanup on it. Like I said, I'll probably tie wrap these out of the way. I got a couple more accessories I'm gonna add, but maybe I'll do that in another video. All right, let me know if y'all think this installation looks clean. Sitting up there, dang, did I scratch that? No. Sitting up there like this, it's even, and like I said, easily to tell the center. Use this white dot here and your stars right there. I mean, I'm dead on center, so well, for eyeballing it anyways. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Once I get it completely done, get on the trail, maybe I'll make a video of it playing and I'll do a review how it works. I hope it survives because I don't want to just throw money away. But yep, thanks for watching guys, hope you like it.